may think this that my English is poor, but it's not just because I am not from English medium. Actually, I am from English medium, but actually because of the lack of conversation in English language to others, they, therefore we are not able to speak in English and talk to. But reason is that our surroundings, the people who are with us, all those though all those people are not able to speak in English, so whenever we talk to them and talk to each other for any regarding anything, taking or asking or purchasing or buying or going from anywhere else, one place to another place, we are roaming, in all time we are speaking Hindi, conveying in Hindi language, and in midst of that we are not speaking a little bit of English words, so we forget how to speak, how to make conversation, and that's the main reason of uh, getting uh, weak in English language, or the facing problem during conversation or making convey to others in English. English is not as I because I have studied in English medium from second class to till 12th class. So I could say that English is not difficult. It is very easy language, but because of lack of, as I have told you further, lack of conversation, it's become tough for us to speak English to anyone, to talk to anyone in English, to simplify the objects, or to uh, talking in such way that or teaching to some way in that way that the person could understand what we want to tell him. That is get difficult because when we are not talking to in English, we have not the habit of talking English. And I have started not just because only for showing you the city roads or the city, the beauty of city, but my aim to that with me while attending my life, you can also learn how to speak, how to make conversation,